Welcome to the amazing world of esters, a world of smells and flavours that are found naturally in fruits and chemically in perfume, cosmetics and food flavourings. They are also found in whisky and wine. Have you ever seen a wine connoisseur smelling and tasting a glass of wine, then all of a sudden he starts babbling about smells like vanilla, peaches and plums, or apples, oranges and lemons, even though these fruits are not used in the winemaking process? It's true, whisky experts also talk about fruit flavourings, even though no fruit is used in the production of whisky. So, where do the smells come from? Esters, of course, but now we need to ask, where do the esters come from? Ethanol is formed during the fermentation process when yeast metabolizes glucose. Some of the ethanol will be oxidized and form ethanoic acid. The ethanol will react with the ethanoic acid and produce ethyl ethanoate, an ester. Different esters and different isomers of esters have different smells. For instance, some of these scents can smell like fruits, which is how you get the fruity smells in whisky and wine. An isomer of an organic compound has the same chemical formula but a different physical structure. This can be as simple as a hydrogen bonding in a different way, but that can still make all the difference. Pentanol, a 5-carbon alcohol, will react with ethanoic acid to form pentyl ethanoate, the smell of pears. Methanol, a single carbon alcohol, will react with butanoic acid to form methyl butanoate, the smell of pineapples. This is interesting because methanol doesn't smell very nice, and as we have said in our last video on carboxylic acids, butanoic acid smells of armpit sweat and rancid butter. Now let us show you the reaction. This is ethanol and this is ethanoic acid. You can see here the elements needed to create water. Let us show you. We now have water and ethyl ethanoate. Esters are quite easy to make. Take a mixture of ethanoic acid and ethanol, add a few drops of sulfuric acid, warm gently for about 5 minutes, then pour the mixture into a small amount of sodium carbonate. You will get a fruit aroma. Sulfuric acid is the catalyst. This process is called esterification. Esters are used to add synthetic fruit flavours to fruit purees, sweets, soft drinks and ice cream. They are also added to cosmetics and perfumes to make them smell nice. Without esters, life just wouldn't smell fruity. And remember, esters are a homologous series. This is Science Rocks.